Good afternoon, TikTokers. This is your favorite aunt from Bybridge. Guys, today I want to talk about self-love, right? Ndakamboitaura pa Valentine paya, but I think I didn't do justice on it. The reason why I want to talk about self-love, ndikuona especially vanhukadzi. Guys, we go out of our way trying to exercise, trying to lose weight, trying to do this. Apart from health reasons, let me tell you, you need to love yourself the way you are. God created you with a purpose, and you are beautiful the way you are. Usatarisa umwe munhu woti ninge ane magaro akanaka. No. You don't even know why God gave that one. Don't look at anyone and say, hey, ninge ane mazamu akanaka. Every body part is essential and beautiful. So, once you don't have self-love, you are going to be comparing yourself with other people. That's a downright no. You see, even myself, at this age, I think I still believe that I'm the most beautiful lady alive. Yeah, that's how I see myself, and that's how I will see myself until I die. Why? Because I have to learn to love me. I have to learn to self-love. The moment you start comparing with yourself, ndosaka mchona wa mwana wachizozviuraya. Pamwe maybe iye anenge ari chubby. Murume wake obva anonyenga slender. Iye obva atotangisa kuzvijaja achizvijaja nekaslender ikako. Obva atoperegwa ototi saka, which means inini I'm not good enough. Then haachakwanisi kurarama achienda mberi. Wotonzwa kutonzi munhu azvidira petro akazviuraya. Guys, girls, no. It's not necessary. You are beautiful the way you are. Short, tall, dark, light, we are all beautiful. You get me? Musabvumire vana mbwa vachikuudzai otherwise. Vachikuitai kuti mufile imwe self-doubting yourself. Mugumisire mane low self-esteem just because of someone. If they don't like what they are seeing in you, hey, it's their loss. You will continue with your path without trying to please anyone. Nokuti kusikwa kwako wanga usipo. You were inside your mother